Biotech stocks mRNA and XERS are both trending. This is Thursday, the 6th of November, 2025. Okay, pre-market session. mRNA is currently up 7.43%. Let's see what we have. Underlying trend is seriously bearish. Okay, um, let's see now. On the before now, the extrapolation was saying it was going to show some weakness up till today, but unfortunately, that's not what's going on. It has had a bounce already, going by this 7.22%. So maybe the extrapolation has come in early. Okay. If that is anything to go by, then we are looking at, okay, let's see. The extrapolation of its 40-day moving average is saying that we may have, the stock may be trading within this wedge, between this, if you like, between this area. Yeah, that the extrapolation of its that 40-day moving average and the 10-day moving average has formed. So we are looking at the prospects of a convergence. Yeah, prospect of a convergence, at least from, let's see now, the convergence may begin, I would say, from the 11th of November, if this turns out to be the case. Okay, if this turns out to be the case, but there's no guarantee that it's going to be the case at all. Projections are saying 24.29, just a slight upper projection. Before now, it was 25.04, 27.83, 29.33, 30.25. But yeah, momentum is also expected to pan out like that as well. Momentum is expected to actually begin to pick up today. So the 10-day moving average, the price pressure momentum got today's extrapolation right. It predicted what is going on right now correctly. It was saying momentum was going to build up, even though the extrapolation of the price was saying it was going to the price will dip today and then increase tomorrow, but maybe it has come in early. Who knows? But surely today it didn't get it right. For today, it didn't get it right. For tomorrow, well, we can say. We can say what we can say surely is that for today the momentum is spot on. Is You can see here, maybe I believe you may be seeing what I'm seeing here. It's saying that momentum will pick up, and that is exactly what we're looking at right now. And it's also guiding the extrapolation on the future extrapolations on the price itself. So it's saying it's going to pick up and remain strong up till Wednesday, the 12th of November. Then just go on cycling. Yeah, it will go on cycling with a bullish bias at least up till the 8th of December. No guarantee that will be the case. And a couple of things going on with the company. Who knows? This could be what may actually happen eventually. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour chart. Okay, the 4 hour chart is extrapolating. Well, it's not exactly ambitious. It's extrapolating, saying that strength will remain in place up till the close of today's trading session, and outside that, it's going to be a contraction. Of today's expansion, going all the way towards the 11th of November, Tuesday. Okay, but outside that, momentum is expected to remain strong. At least the 10, it's saying here, the price, the price is going to remain above its 10 period moving average. It's going to go through, it has crossed over, yeah, and it's expected to remain above it up till Monday pre-market session. So it's a mix of things here going on. Projections on this 4 hour chart is saying 24.717. It's a down projection. It has as high as $29 as of Tuesday. Okay. So yeah, the stock is trending, and let's hear more about what's going on with the stock. Let's see. Let's hear more about it. But while we're waiting for that, yeah, let's see. Yeah,
Moderna, mRNA. Biotechnology giant Moderna, mRNA, is trending after reporting Q3 CY2025 earnings that beat Wall Street's revenue expectations but revealed a continued year over year slowdown. The company posted $1.02 billion in revenue, down 45.4% year over year, signaling waning demand for its COVID-19 vaccine portfolio. While the figure topped consensus estimates, full year revenue guidance of $1.8 billion midpoint came in 4.4% below analyst forecasts, tempering investor enthusiasm. On the profitability side, Moderna's GAAP loss of 0.51 cents per share surprised to the upside, coming in 78.6% better than expected, suggesting improving cost controls and early signs of stabilization. What's driving the buzz, however, is not just the earnings beat, but rumors of a potential acquisition or deal of significant scope reported by Stat News. Community discussions are heating up as traders speculate which major pharmaceutical company might pursue a deal, citing Moderna's mRNA vaccine platform and oncology pipeline as highly attractive assets. Some bulls argue that a partnership or buyout could help Moderna accelerate its diversification beyond COVID related products, while skeptics warn that revenue visibility remains limited and pipeline execution risks persist. The stock has become a key talking point among biotech investors, with volatility expected to remain high in the short term as rumors and analyst reactions unfold.
Okay, so the stock seems quite active as well as things stand right now. Okay, so let's see what's going on with XERS. Xeris is down 3.75%. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is its 4-hour chart. It has had a bounce, so it's actually recovering. So it's expected to okay. It's expected to trade within this wedge formed by the extrapolation of its 10 and 20, 10 and 40, 10 and 40 period moving averages. So it's expected to trade within this wedge. Yeah. So that will be, if you like, it would say maybe let's say now there's between 9.5, 9.52 and 9.86. That's what it's extrapolating that it's going to be doing. So it's that all those values lie within this wedge, and maybe afterwards it may begin to go distributive. Yeah, it will begin to distribute downwards with the barrier. Yeah, it will begin to print lower prices, but with more freedom to the downside. You know. So let's see now. Projections are currently saying on this 4-hour chart 10.53, 10.92, 11.17. The current price is 9.60. Yeah. Yesterday it printed out an intraday high of 10.27 and in intraday low of 8.06. So based on what we have here, it's not expected that it's going to trade beyond. It's not expected that it's going to retest that 10.27. But statistically, that probability is the probability of it retesting it's also not high as well. Let's have a look at its daily chart. On its daily chart, it's a bit different. Okay, here on the line trend is strongly bullish. Okay, so this is the wedge that the algos are suspecting that the stock is going to trade within. So, but the stock has declined now. Now it's showing something different. But before now, it was just saying that it wasn't going to be. It's going to the maximum it could trade was up to, let's see, I can't get that figure, but this is the wedge. It's extrapolating that it's going to trade within. Okay, then at least up till and then maybe begin to contract that expansion by the 9th of December. But all in all, it's a long time to come, and we can't really add a lot of meaning into this because the price has changed somewhat. Okay, but the stock is currently trending. Let's find out what's going on with the stock.
Xeris Biopharma, XERS. Meanwhile, Xeris Biopharma XERS is gaining attention following a strong yet slightly mixed Q3 performance. The company reported product revenue of $74 million, dollars, up 40% year over year, but just shy of analyst expectations. A standout highlight was Record Leave, which delivered 109% year over year revenue to $37 million, dollars, driven by accelerating patient adoption and expanding market share. Cirrus raised the lower end of its 2025 revenue guidance to $285 to $290 million, dollars, implying roughly 42% growth at the midpoint, up from its prior range of $280 to $290 million. Dollars. Management emphasized continued execution on its commercial strategy and pipeline development, aiming to sustain double digit growth into 2026 and beyond. In online discussions, traders are increasingly pointing to institutional accumulation and buyout potential, particularly given Cirrus's innovative drug delivery technologies and expanding endocrinology portfolio. Some speculate that their proprietary formulation platform could make them an attractive acquisition target for larger pharma players seeking to modernize delivery systems. The community is also watching for upcoming investor events and pipeline updates as potential catalysts, with bullish sentiment building around the company's long term path to profitability.
Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Just have a look at these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.